for the right vehicle? Check out the 2018 Edge. Thrills with more power and MPG. Either way, you're in for an exhilarating experience with Ford Edge and is priced below $45,000. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, all-wheel drive, passenger airbag, Bluetooth, automatic transmission, tilt and telescopic steering wheel, power door locks, compass, power windows, trip computer. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.